Hello everyone. I wish I were there with you to celebrate and to personally thank you for honoring me to be a fellow of our beloved society, ISSFAL. I was very much involved with ISSFAL from the very beginning, in fact before ISSFAL existed as a society. In 1984, we planned the first major international conference on the health effects of polyunsaturated fatty acids in seafoods, which actually established the scientific basis of both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. The meeting was organized by Bob Kiefer, who was then the representative to my committee in the Department of Commerce, and myself. And it was a major event in which outstanding scientists participated, including the then director of NIH, Dr. Jim Weingarten. You can see from the photograph that the people who planned the conference came from academia, industry, as well as government. And this was a very important concept, that the conference was very much in favor of making it clear to everyone that for research to advance, we need the support of the three major groups: government, industry, and academia. The first conference then on the health effects of polyunsaturated fatty acids in seafoods was a major event that established the scientific basis of polyunsaturated fatty acids. It was also made clear that polyunsaturated fatty acids go beyond the whole idea of the lipid hypothesis and heart disease, that they were very much involved in not only atherosclerosis, but also in thrombosis and inflammation. It became very obvious that if we're going to advance the research field, it will be necessary for the federal agencies to increase support for that research. So major recommendations that came out of the conference included the need to balance the omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, the need to have omega-3 fatty acids in infant formula, the need to actually improve the protocols for clinical research, because as it is today and then, a lot of conflicting results came out from many of the clinical trials, mostly because there were a lot of problems with the protocols, which the conference specifically described. What followed the conference was a series of program announcements on the part of many of the NIH institutes in areas of growth and development, on membrane function and metabolism, cancer, atherosclerosis, diabetes, aging. These program announcements led to expansion of research. In fact, it went from about 100 publications that were able to uncover in 1984 to close to 400 in 1989. So that by 1990, there was a lot more research, a lot more interest, and a lot more people being very much involved worldwide. In other words, we had a critical mass of scientists working in the area of polyunsaturated fatty acids in seafood.